Santo kona si Walewale nasefo no. Say yanhwe yi a by June eja betum rough e Ghana.
From this time out
go see June eja betum rough. E be siaba even Ashanti region and I say Brownfo region mo Ashanti dey ntimi yi papa bi aba Brownfo region e be siaba ho ama entokwa ne beba sa tribe ni mienu ntem. Ah Santo ko mo kwemfa so bi eni so. Enso eyade a sa montie ne yepa o me say by June this year see ami ye ne nsifem ana ye mampani wa masojafo kese anko Walewale nasefo no kontokwa no a de besi no ebeba bedidi mu aba abesi bi ama Ashanti region akwa no obi betimi ewu enkrofo mko hiem no mo ka sem se ade no yesa no obi na ka na ye northness ne mienu ana ebi o mo lorry park ana lorry station ana mo ka se we mo nya de nso mo nya de nso mbehwa na ba kwa twese kan wo ba ko in Ashanti region it can happen. In a special I saw it yesterday in the night.
Okay.
And I'm praying that Holy Spirit to intervene. And I'm praying that it's serious. Man from me. Wherever you're watching me, the tribal war no ni anoma esi Walewale northern region as for no. Say Ghana for anyiro mo amfie na nsifem. Say jiri for anyiro for mo na nsifem. The besie no. E besi Ghana ha no. Anobedi. E besie ma be say yes at the born yes. Ah e meba ntokwa ne beba be kesi nipa mebrebe wu. Be kesi amatie si mu aba bie kura. Ko omun krofon dodo na obi bo afanu nyina. Ti be nse mebrebe nti we need to put on I'm calling and I'm appealing to the president John Dramani Mama. Say you have to intervene this matter very serious. It's not something like you have to leave them and just deny or reject them. No, we don't need to reject them. We need to let our mind to focus on them and fight against. Else, something terrible is going to happen. As soon as possible to prevent this war every Ghana na Ghana you are soon you me the country me nim the mkrofo wepe adekro mo konto kwa no kwa manka so mo nte ase oh sa nya Jimmy we say efrin enti yesre nyankopon ma se oma agiri for yemfe nansi fe mo mpae na aban no so nya de obebi a obetuma prevent because spiritually I'm telling you so see anya hu bibia if you don't take great measures on it I'm telling you something I'm telling you
up to June
something terrible happened and she say nipa be rough Trinity boni tuo kuno to nsamfon we are making we shouldn't take it we shouldn't underestimate this prophecy I'm giving it's something that I saw yesterday and we shouldn't underestimate it and we have to pray over it so that the Spirit of God will intervene to take us from this trouble and problems.